When I was in high school, I wanted to be a teacher.
When I was in high school, I wanted to become a fish and game warden.
Automation uses technology to simplify and speed up manufacturing and production. Industrial process automation systems employ machines, components, and sensors to efficiently accomplish repetitive tasks. Designing, building, and maintaining automated systems requires a team of professionals with skills in problem solving, mechanics, electronics, and troubleshooting.
My name is Jake. I'm an electrical and mechanical technician at Graphic Packaging International in Crosby.
Graphic Packaging International is a leader in paper-based packaging, and their automation facility in Crosby, Minnesota designs and builds sophisticated automated packaging systems for companies around the globe.
Graphic Packaging is a $6 billion Fortune 500 company. We're what we call a vertically integrated company, so we have the paperboard mills, we have the carton converting plants, and then we make the machines to run those cartons that we manufacture.
Basically what we do is we build machines that package many different items, and we build them from scratch. When I started working here, I was started just on mechanical sub-assemblies, just smaller assemblies, and then I actually not too long ago moved my way up into electrical assembly, and just this past week I got named as a job lead on one of the machines. I look at schematics and I do everything from cutting the length of the cable to stripping it to wiring it to installing it on the machine. Most of the time we work 9-hour days from 6 to 3:30. It's nice. I mean, you start early, but then you get done at an earlier time, so you got time to do stuff after work, and that's what I like about it. Every day when I come into work, I learn something different that I've never done before, and it's just really interesting to me. I actually went to high school right here in Crosby, Minnesota. It's where I've lived my whole life. Made a lot of good friends around here, and it's just, I love the area.
In Crosby, this is the main manufacturing site for packaging machinery. We have an R&D center located in Atlanta, but all of the production equipment is produced here in Crosby. These machines are sent throughout the world. We have machinery in China, Japan, Australia, Brazil, Italy, Spain, Germany, France, just about any place you can think of.
Creating automated packaging machines is a high-tech, high-touch endeavor. It takes machinists, assemblers, engineers, and technical specialists.
I'm Alicia Thompson. I'm a Senior Technical Specialist at Graphic Packaging International. A Senior Technical Specialist writes manuals, creates parts manuals, and trains customers. I write technical manuals based on the actual machine out on the floor. I talk to the resident experts out there, the mechanics and the electricians, and get technical information on the machine, and I transfer it into the manual for the customer. I grew up in Brainerd, Minnesota, attended high school there as well. I originally wanted to be an electrical engineer. The way my brain works is that I like to learn things hands-on versus more theory. We build such customized machines. You really need a hands-on person to do the job. I do look forward to going to work. I like coming here. I like doing my job. I actually like the challenges that it brings, so it's really hard to say something about my job is hard when I like the challenges. I have a ton of tasks to do every day. It keeps me busy all day, every day. So I like that I'm busy, and I like that I can manage my own schedule. I feel like it is a career, and I really like the freedom it brings. It makes you feel important.
Here in Minnesota, automation career opportunities are growing. Engineers, assemblers, and technicians are in high demand, and employment is expected to grow by 8% in the next 10 years.
You need to look at it as a career and constantly learning, constantly growing, and advancing yourself.
I started as an electrical assembler, I became a project lead, and now I'm a senior technical specialist.
Within the field of automation, there are several career paths, and most people work their way up the career ladder as they gain more experience and education, even the boss.
I started here in drafting and design. I worked my way up to designer, project engineer, engineering manager, and now the plant manager.
Technical education after high school will help you get started on a career in automation. Central Lakes College offers certificate and diploma programs in automated systems, robotics, and mechatronics at its Staples campus. Depending on which program you choose, you can complete your training in just 1 or 2 years and be on your way to a rewarding career. You may even be eligible for scholarships to help pay for your studies.
I think if you're a hands-on student, if you're a student that learns by doing things, I think this is a great program for you. If you want to build things, this is a great program to build things in. If you're a creative student, there's a lot of creativity that goes into this program. If you're a student that likes to program, we do a lot of programming here as well.
As a high school student, it's important to start preparing now for your future career. Ask your school counselor about courses and other opportunities that will help you learn more about careers in automation.
There's a time and a place where you can play video games when you're younger and stuff like that, but eventually you got to kind of do something with your life, and you just kind of got to get up off the couch and get going.
The one thing I would let anybody know is to do your research and look around. There are way more jobs out there than you've ever thought of.
We have a lot of folks that will start in assembly, learn the machines, they'll possibly go into service, machine sales. Some of them have worked their way into engineering, technical writing, so there's a lot of different career paths once you get into the automation side.
Choosing a career and educational path after high school is one of the most important decisions you can make. In a time of life when there are more questions than answers, the Bridges Career Academies and Workplace Connection provides information about education and career pathways and gives you the tools you need to make a smart choice, one that's right for you and right for your future. To learn more, visit bridgesconnection.org.